done working and he's cleaning the umbrella now, guys. Balot na balot si Dominic. Tingnan nyo, guys. Nathan?
No.
Me and James is here inside kasi baka may wasp, guys, so para hindi kami makagat. Oo, knock, 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 knock. Say knock, 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 knock. Ha? Daddy's gone. Ayaw kami palabasin ni Dominic, guys, kasi baka may wasp sa loob ng umbrella. So, ma-attack si James. Sa akin, okay lang. Nandun ako kanina sa labas, guys, naglilinis. Merong isang lumilipad, pero hindi naman nila ako, kinakagat. Siguro ayaw nila sa balat ko, guys. Say hi. Si James, guys, talaga ang kamukha ko talaga si James. Oh. Tingnan niyo yung kulay niya. Pero yung buhok niya, same sila ni Daddy. Ayan, kasi medyo brown. Ay, what you do? Yung kulay ni James, parang, mas dark ako, guys, kasi isang face ko ngayon wala yan. Itong face ko ngayon wala yung makeup. So, medyo dark yung skin ko sa kanya. So, James is between my color and Dominic's color. And guys, nag-umpisa na siya. See? Ito yung anak niya, guys.
Go. What's going on, Dave?
Ooh, that is clean. I feel like it's nothing, you know?
Maybe. I'm trying to make sure. You're not the one who has to go attack.
Huh? No, we're gonna
You
wait.
said on?
Yeah. We're gonna wait.
Alright, James, let's see what we got. There's at least one big nest over here that...
There's a nest?
Yeah, I already killed it the other day. Yeah, there's a couple attached to it before.
And guys,
That's one.
dyan yung bahay nila.
But again, there was like 3 more inside this thing.
Nan?
I mean, it's been super cold lately, so hopefully they all die.
James, say on. Tell Daddy on. On, Daddy. Say on. He likes it. Look, James. So cool. Yeah. Wait, Daddy's cleaning.
Ready? Well, careful to run, okay?
Yeah. Can I drop James now?
Hold on. I want to open it all the way.
Yeah.
There's another one right there.
Ang bata gustong pumunta. Eh, Daddy niya.
Watch out, man.
Come here. Back up. Look. Back up. Oh, no.
Babe, you are not doing your job.
I'm doing.
Okay, now at least I get all these beetles off.
You say, oh, there's none.
Alright, you killed them all.
James, come here. No, Daddy's working.
There.
Look. Oh. Do it. Okay, spray it.
Probably won't take it down to that, let it air out.
Yeah, just like open like that.
Yeah. We did it, James. Yes, there was at least... you're going to get on your face. There's at least 3 on the inside before. It looks like there's 2 on the outside, so... Alright. I think we're good. Yeah, I'll see. I mean, they would have attacked me by now. So there's just one chilling in there by himself?
Yeah, I saw one earlier too.
I guess that's the one.
Jim, babe.
Where are you going?
So ayan, guys.
Yeah, hold on, we're gonna go.
There's like a flies in there.
Yeah, there's a couple beetles.
That's beetles or flies?
Let's see.
That one.
That one? That's part of the nest that I think I broke off. So that's that's how they stick on.
Ayan, guys, bahay ng wasp.
There's another one here.
Tapos meron din dito.
And there was 2 up here previously. And then you can look here, you can see babe, you can see these ones. There's another nest that were connected
Ayan,
up there.
guys.
Gross. All right, James, let's go inside. Let Daddy change into shorts, and then we'll go down there. Come here.
Let's go.
Gotta get my shorts on. Come in. We're good. No more wasp.
We're going outside na.
Yeah.
Sisi! Come here! Let's zoom in, babe.
Oh, how am I supposed to know?
Guys, we're gonna take this okra.
You getting all the okra?
Yeah. Look at that. There's like seeds in there.
Yeah. So you're gonna get
So
the dry
I'll
okra
yeah.
for next year.
I'm gonna dry this and we're gonna plant it next year.
James is picking up tomatoes over there.
Yeah. Look, James is busy.
James, what are you doing?
Look at this. Big, oh.
Yeah, that's the big
So
ones.
big. They're older now, so we can't eat them.
Yeah.
Dominic don't like okra.
Yeah. I don't know why you don't plant okra. I mean, it's cool to see them grow, but
I like them. It's just I cannot catch up. Tomato, guys. Look, we have a tomato. I think we can still use this one.
yeah.
Come here, James. Look.
He wants to pull them, I think. James, get the tomato.
Get tomato. Get some tomato. Look. Here's some tomato.
Give them to mom.
Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy.
You got a bag.
Here, put it here.
James, put it in the bag.
Put it in the bag. Oh,
The
tomato.
tomato.
Come here. Okay, get more.
Put it in.
Put it in. Get more. Oh.
Shivers.
You should work it.
Yeah. James, get the other
Get
one.
the other one.
There you go.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Put it here in our bag.
Small tomato. That's right.
That's right.
You did it. Throw it. Get it. Kick. Good job, James. But if we chop it up and put it in the trash bag, they won't know the difference. So that's why I'm thinking about chopping it up. So normally, wouldn't you chop these up and put them back in your soil?
Oh, yeah.
Isn't it nutrients?
Yeah, that's a nutrients.
Yeah. Proud of you for your garden, babe. That's the biggest thing you've thrown something vinegar.
Yeah. I have the one in the Broad Meadow before. I have a big garden there too.
Oh, I mean, I said these are the largest things that you've grown, right?
Yeah.
That's all of them.
James said, "Ho-ho-ho."
Yeah, go kick it.
Kick it. I like my garden, guys. We spend a lot of money just to build the garden than to buy it in the Asian store.
Yeah. I did this part because she enjoys gardening. That's
Look at that, guys. It's so tall.
yeah.
Look at that.
Go check out the
Hi.
soil.
Look at that. It's more than me.
And it's
So tall, guys.
one of them very tough.
I can't even reach with my hand.
Yep. Nice.
Look at that. Ooh.
All
So
right.
tall.
Break those up. I'm trying to keep the soil here because that's what I want.
Radish.
Is it okay for the rest of this to go in the soil bags, you think? Or I guess we can try to pick up, I'll pick up the
We
stock.
try our best to remove the
Oh, it's all dirty. Oh no. Oh no.
Look at Grandpa. Oh, Grandpa, yeah.
He's what?
He's a wall.
Where? You see, Mom's crazy.
every day.
Mom's crazy. Do it. You see you kick it really hard. Kick it. Kick, kick, kick. Let me see you do it. That was a big one. Oh yeah. Daddy! You want me to kick it? Do a big one? Say go. Oh, I got. Oh! Kick! Get it.
Sweet potato, eh?
Huh? Is that what that is?
We got sweet potato, guys. Sa tayo.
I forgot they're still filming.
Sure.
Ew. You sure?
Sure,
It looks disgusting. I don't know what that is. No, it's like
That's
a-
sweet potato.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I have sweet potato in here, in this area.
Oh. I don't remember you ever harvesting sweet potatoes. I would have ate those.
Oh, they didn't grow.
Hear that? So half of your garden grew. So we're keeping all of Herigene's soil so when she does plant the next garden, it still has all the nutrients and stuff we did.
Because all of this soil, guys, we bought this, and it's a lot. And they're expensive too. Guys, may binili pala kami ditong sako. Ayan. Kasi I plan to keep the soil.
There you go.
And guys, kasi napakataba ng lupa na to. Ilang taon ko na din itong ginagamit. So, ayan guys. So, ilalagay namin siya lahat sa sako. Kaya bumili si Dominic neto sa Amazon. Ayan guys. So, dito namin ilalagay. Ang liit. Babe, your sack is so small. They're like small bags. Tapos bumili din siya ng shovel, guys.
That is not the case though.
Yeah, they're so small.
Are these the right ones?
Ito pala yung nakuha ko mga binhi na okra, guys. Ayan, papatuyuin natin yan para maitanim tayo sa next summer. Yung tomato, guys, mga hilaw. Yung nilagay ni James dito. Napakasayang ng okra natin. Ayan. Ayan, tingnan nyo, ang lalaki pa naman niya. So, ito yung mga basura natin. And yung mag-ama, ayan, naglalaro.
They were supposed to be 1.5 to 2 cubic feet, which is what we bought.
Yeah.
Those are the size of our bags that we bought.
Yeah,
These do
they're
not
small.
look like that.
Yeah, there's
This is like maybe 1 cubic foot, which means we're gonna need probably 40 bags. I bought 50. It doesn't even look like 50 bags. Well, maybe it is.
50?
Yep. Well, let's get started.
Okay,
As
let's
long
do
as we
it.
got. Whoa! Make it as full as we can. Doesn't matter how heavy it is.
We're gonna finish this.
Huh?
We're gonna finish.
What do you mean? Like how long?
Yeah.
I told you it was gonna take an hour. You didn't believe me.
Small mouth. I didn't expect the sack small.
What does it have to do with how long it's gonna take? It's still gonna take 10 minutes. Let me know when it's too full. Alright. How's that? More. Here, do you thought we can get this whole thing done in 30 minutes? Good kid, James. Pulling the grass up.
There's a daddy.
Hi. How are you? Good. You like showing people stuff. You like showing Christine all of his toys.
Dominic says he's guessing it's only like 10 socks.
That's what she said. Well, that's literally what she said. I was expecting at least, I said 30. What do we get? How many?
I don't know.
Yeah, close to 30 probably.
May pantali na din siya guys na kasama. Binili siya ni Dominic. Parang ano lang, it reminds me of when you harvest a rice field.
Yeah.
Ito yung sako na nilalagay. Tapos may sinulid siya. Ganito din guys yung sinulid. Napakakapal.
So you do it. Shovel.
Oh, you make sound.
Say shovel. I think he's calling it a broom. Shovel. Very good. It's getting late.
So yan guys, ang dami naming na-pack, nalagay sa sako. And guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21, babe.
21?
Yeah.
Oh, I was closer.
Sure. So yan, ipang tali na namin to. And then, try namin tatanggalin to guys. Kasi marami siyang screw. Ayan, wala nang sun. Madilim na guys. Yeah. Probably it's almost 7 o'clock already na.
think so. I was supposed to get.
This kid
sundown
needs
at
some milk.
6:30. Huh?
This kid needs some milk. He's still having fun though.
Yeah, he's having a good time.
Say, James, say hi. James, say hi. Oh, oh. Every time I film him, he always fell down. But he never cried though. This kid is so tough.
Oh, Dad.
Say hi. Come here. Say hi to my vlog. Oh, again?
Oh, no.
Oh, no, say hi. Come here. Say hi. Say hi.
Ooh.
Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say hi. Say like this. Hi. Use your hand. Hi.
Wow.
The best baby. Karomol, bata. Ito na yung panghuli natin. And while I'm doing this, Dominic is already starting to dismantle the bed race. Bed race, babe, right?
Raised bed.
Raised bed. So, nagsa-start na siyang dismantlein yung raised bed, guys. And ito, patapos na ako sa pagtatali ng mga sako.
Nice.
Yan. Eh, nagabihan na kami, guys. Wala nang araw. Medyo madilim-dilim na din dito sa likod, sa labas. Ayan. His daddy's boy.
He wants to work with the tools. So I
Yeah.
normally let him, but as you can see, the sun's gone.
Yeah.
I ain't got much time.
Madilim-dilim na, guys.
When you get a second, when you're done filming, if you could put those pieces somewhere away from James. Maybe put them in that box over there. So that James doesn't get to them.
Which one?
There's a box right behind you. He's attracted to the light. He's saying, ooh.
Wow. Look at the kid. Hi! Kasi yung camera kasi, guys, may flash siya. Go help daddy. Ay. Sorry.
I want to try to get done.
Get your ball. Get the ball. Oh, boy. Tumba na naman siya. Natapos na namin yung mga lupa dito sa loob. Ayan. Empty na siya. Kaya tatanggalin na namin itong metal thing na ito. And ayan yung ating mga bags. Tapos ito naman yung sa kabila. And marami pa tayong sobra. Kasi 50 pieces daw itong nabili ni Dominic, guys. Wow. Ayan. Tingnan nyo yung texture ng sako. What is the name of this, babe? Borlap? Babe, what's the name of this sack?
Burlap?
Borlap, guys. Ayan.
Or there might just be sandbags.
Or maybe, yeah.
I was researching both.
Yeah. Pero ito, guys, tingnan nyo yung texture. Ito rin yung klase ng sako na ginagamit namin kapag nagpa-harvest kami ng palay sa aming rice field. So, parang ganun talaga siya. At tapos, ito may kasama na din siyang pantali. Ayan. So, ayan na siya, guys. Whoop, whoop. And ito na yung ating basura. So, hindi pa rin kami sure kung pipick upin pa to nung kasi nagbabayad kasi kami dito, guys, na magpipick up nitong mga basura namin, pero hindi ni Dominic sure kung kasama ba ito, kung pwede ba ito kasi ano daw to, backyard waste. So tingnan pa niya. Nahahakutin ko tong mga sako doon.
Alright, you can put these ones in that box as well. Thank you. Oh.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Are you mad?
Yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah. You stomping? Let me see you stomp.
Wheel.
Ang gatekeeper ni Mami. Yan, siya ang tigbukas ng gate, guys. Okay, open. 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 Thank you. Close the door. Close the door.
Wow.
Dito na na tayo ngayon sa garage. And ipapasok na natin tong lahat ng mga soil na nasa sako dito sa loob para hindi maulanan. Kasi pag mabasa guys, napakabigat nito. So, ganyan lang siya guys, the remote. Yung garage namin dito, pero hindi namin siya ginagamit. Kasi doon na si Dominic nagpa-park sa harapan ng bahay. So, dito parang storeroom na din siya guys. Then, dyan yung bike namin. Tapos yung mga gamit na hindi namin nagagamit. Finally, tapos na nating hakutin. Ayan yung 21 sacks na soil. Tapos, ito naman yung aming fire pit. Nandun to sa likod kanina. Tapos, hindi naman 2 beses ang ata namin ito ginamit, guys. Fire pit. Ayan. Tapos, yung bike namin ni Dominic. Look at that. This is Dominic's bike, yung itim. Tapos, ito naman yung raspberry red. Hindi na namin siya nagamit, guys, since dumating tong batang to. Kasi hindi na kami nakapag-bike.
What?
Yes, we're almost done!
Yeah.
Yay!
Woo. Good job, Mom.
Good job?
So good
Okay,
job.
close our vlog, James.
You
Say
get-
thank you so much for watching. Oh. What happened?
Oh, it just time's out.
Hey, nandito na kami sa loob ng bahay, guys. Ika-close lang natin yung video. Thank you so much for watching our video today. Hope nag-enjoy po kayo. And say, James, say bye. Bye. Bye, James. And daddy's right there.
Love, get in the bag.
Yeah, so gabing-gabi na guys sa labas, madilim na talaga siya. Pero finally naman natapos namin lahat. Napakadilim na sa labas. Ayan, madilim na. And dyan kami kanina, di ba? Finally. Bye! Thank you so much!